Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explore Claude Artifacts, the artifacts from the Anthropic cloud. This tutorial is especially helpful for those interested in working with artifacts. Today I will be creating a SpaceX Starship relanding animation using Claude 3.5 Sonnet model and its coding skill and running the code in artifacts. I will also modify the animation through prompts. I will be adding details like the Starship and booster and instructing the model to simulate a landing on Mars. And here is the second animation with the second set of artifacts. However, this is not entirely accurate as the ship is not launching from the ground or re-landing on Mars terrain. While the accuracy is not perfect, the background and rocket's graphics looks great. Now I will give a new prompt to Claude 3.5 Sonnet and it's for modifying the generated code and the artifacts for the animation. Here is the updated animation and I think it looks fantastic. You can see the Starship and its booster launching and gradually getting smaller as it moves farther from the ground, floating in space. Now the booster has separated from the Starship and it looks incredible, just like a real SpaceX animation. The booster is returning to the ground with its flames igniting, slowing down as it descends. Meanwhile, the Starship is also descending. Both are landing in a manner similar to SpaceX rockets. The booster's landing is successful and the Starship also lands successfully. This animation features two boosters. One is used for launching the Starship and the second is meant to refuel the Starship for its landing on Mars. The first booster has launched and landed safely on the ground. I'm a bit confused here. The Starship is in orbit and the first booster has landed safely after refueling it. The second booster has relaunched from the ground and is now floating in space. There are quite a few boosters visible in the animation, especially in the left corner. Everything is working smoothly, both boosters land safely, but the Starship appears to be stuck in orbit. I'm not sure why, but I am hitting the limits of Claude 3.5 Sonnet model, so I can't generate the more text or code at this point. So guys, now creating the animation is very easy for you using Claude Artifacts. If you enjoying my video, please hit the like button. If you want more video on ChatGPT, Anthropic Cloud, Google Gemini and more AI tool and experiments and more OpenAI API tutorials for beginners, so guys please subscribe or hit the subscribe button now and help me to grow this channel.